Me again, tabletop on the Swiss Army Day Packer. This one, it looks very similar to the grafting florist knife, but this one is called the Day Packer. It's on red. They have it in different colors, but I went with the traditional red. And as you can see, the blade, it has a very drastic type of drop there, and it's pointy. It's actually a pretty decent knife, it's not that bad. It's very inexpensive, slip joint, and it has a wide little blade. This one is the Day Camper. No, I'm sorry, Day Packer. That's the name of it. Day Packer. It's a single blade. There's nothing on it, just this single blade. And I like Victorinox knives like this, just single blade. Is my preference. This one is pretty sharp. It's a pretty knife. It's kind of odd, the shape of the blade, how it goes from thin to wide at the tip. But I guess it's for doing some cutting. I guess food and utility. Very nice, large handle. That's also what I liked about it. It has a large handle, so you can really, it's a slip joint, so it will close on you. So be careful. But let's say you're cutting something, you want to put pressure on the back spine of the knife and just press cut. You can. And this large grip is slippery. It's not that grippy, but it's large enough so you can get a good purchase on it. I really do like and appreciate simple knives like this. And this one I'm gonna use it for. It's a paring knife, also foldable paring knife. Very lightweight, big construction, slip joint, very nice little knife. And they have it in different colors in case you don't want red. You can buy in other colors. Well, thanks for watching.